Hello, I'm making chicken fry piece biryani. To make this beautiful recipe, come let's start. What ingredients we need to cook? Cook the chicken in the water with some biryani herbs. Take the chicken in the bowl. Now take this leftover broth in a glass. Now take the kadai, add oil and ghee in it. Now take one medium size onion, add biryani masalas in this oil and add chopped onion until it becomes light brown. Then now add ginger garlic paste. Almost I'm adding 2 big spoons for half kg. After it fries, add curry leaves. Fry little. Now add chicken now. Now mix this chicken with this. Now I am adding some water in this and close the lid, cook it. Meanwhile I am cut the green chilies, add them too. Now add turmeric, 4 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon of biryani masala and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Chicken broth and mix it. Now I am adding curd in this too. Mix it well and cook this well until oil separates. Now I am adding again curry leaves. Meanwhile I am cooking the biryani rice. I am adding some broth also in this. I am adding half a tomato and coriander powder, lemon, salt. Mix it well. Now add this lemon into the biryani water. After the water boils, I am adding rice in it. Our chicken fry is ready. Put it aside. Now I am cooking the biryani rice. When it is done, take them into a plate. Now I am taking a big bowl. In that I am adding some chicken broth and adding rice, 1 layer of chicken fry. I am adding some fried onion too and adding again rice and chicken. That's it. Close the lid. Put a heavy thing on this dish. Cook for 15 minutes. That's it. Our dish is ready. Take them into the plate. I'm serving with the keera. That's it. Our chicken biryani is ready. Even I make this for the first time. It's really delicious. Try it in your home too. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.